In New York, a dog bite injury case can involve a severe injury or a less severe injury. It's important to get treatment immediately after the dog bite. You need to find out if the dog had its vaccinations so that you know you don't need to undergo a very painful set of rabies vaccinations. If the dog was properly vaccinated, you can avoid that. As far as the legal case, it's important to prove the vicious propensity of the dog and that the owner was aware of that. If you can prove that, then any injuries caused by that vicious dog can be compensated for.